May heist ka, invite mo ko. Invite
Wait.
mo.
Wait, how do I invite you?
Press M. Just register as a boss.
Tapos,
Securo VIP.
tapos,
Start an organization.
ano pa pangalan ko? Zoe.
Organization.
Josters na.
Just start. Nice.
Oh, let's go! Start na!
Scope out pa lang tayo dito
Okay. Ano ba start? Confirm settings.
Oo, confirm settings.
Tapos, puta.
Yes, this will do very nicely. Very nice place you've got. Very chic. Nothing like a bourgeois bank robber to remind me of how strange Los Santos has become, getting locked up or shot. So, you
Yes.
ready? What do you
Yes.
think? You questions, comments, concerns? All right. What are you waiting for? Let's go see this place.
What a nice!
Ah. Anyways, I'm gonna drive.
No!
Ayaw mo. Hindi, don't.
I'm the better driver.
Mag-scope out ka lang naman. Broken stand. Ay,
Bro, sit in the front seat.
We're driving out to the bank, taking a look at it,
gago.
picking up some equipment, and then heading back to make our plans. Not very complex at all. Plus, you know, the sea view, nothing like staring at the ocean while you contemplate money and power, incarceration, homicide, and all those weighty issues
Ba-
surrounding
bakit ka may
We don't
binangga?
talk-
to serious armed robbery.
We don't talk
I'm
about that.
assuming you're kind of a cerebral crew because otherwise, there it is. Take a look. Drink it in. I've patched into their security feed on my cell. Take a look. What are we
Alam mo, ba't
looking
ka
at?
nakapangbahay?
Small joint, not
Ako?
much security.
Oo.
Staff
Mag
won't
ano
give
ko
a
naman,
crap.
ba't mag-suit?
Especially about the deposit
Para
boxes. Customers will probably
badass.
be thinking, how to turn this into a
Badass.
screenplay.
Poor lang ako eh.
The boxes are in the
Lo,
back behind the safe.
bigyan mo
door.
pera.
We want box number 167.
Binibi.
Yeah, it's right on the highway with good access.
You'll work.
That works for you. Get out quick, but it'll also work for the cops. Speed up their response time. Okay? Okay. You in the passenger seat. I've sent it to your phone. Now take it for a dry run. Keep
Ano
your
ba yan?
hands steady.
Kaya ayoko
Wet
mag-ano
run will
eh.
be a disaster.
Kaya pala gusto mo ikaw yung mag-drive.
Oo, gusto ko may experience mo yung kahirapan na to.
Too bad, I'm the better driver. Mwahaha.
Hard copies to go on a notice
Finally.
board. Yeah,
Buti na
plus
lang
all the
easy to.
equipment we spoke about. I'll be over to collect
Yay.
it with
Ano
those
ginagawa mo?
people. Yeah.
Wait lang, mali kasi yung dinaanan natin. Sarap to eh. Mag-hack ka lang dyan.
Tapos na ako. Bagal mo.
She's loading the hardware into the back of a truck. Tools for the job, things for you to wear. On a job, your attire will depend on the role your passenger seat. Did you get into their network?
Yes.
Good work.
Taxi natin to yahatid. Pwede naman to mag-taxi.
Mas mabagal daw kasi pag taxi. Gusto niya ano.
Ay, so you're saying I'm a great driver, Joel.
You're a great driver. Kaso front wheel drive ko eh.
Ang ina mo.
There she is. You leave my car
See?
here, take the truck. I should be using my cane.
Oh, that car is hot!
I want...
Okay, ikaw mag-drive this time. I will make it fair for you.
Sige.
Kasi mahal na mahal kita. Utang ina, get out of the way! Oy!
Sakay!
I can't! Wait lang! Wait
Sakay!
lang! Wait lang! Wait! Why can't I go in? Wait.
What the fuck?
Ba't pangina?
Balls! Now it's back to the apartment.
Narinig mo yung sinabi ni Lester.
Balls!
Balls!
Ano ko false?
Narinig ko balls.
I think so.
Bastos
You want
ka.
to get out and...
They're gonna
Hey.
charge us with thought crime.
Bayan, par yung window! Ano ba? Ang ganda-ganda naman ng kotse na to. Tapos sisirain mo
hard
na.
on out to
No.
Well, we're not getting.
Yay.
Yeah!
Ha! Platinum.
Fuck you!
I get 5,000.
Fuck you.
Fuck you too.
Okay. Now, Paige, we'll set up a board for you, won't you, Paige?
See, she
Let
looks
you
so
do it if you
emo.
can reach. I mean, I didn't see any
You
milk
call
cartons
that
for you to
hot?
stand on.
Yes.
That's my
Mhm.
type of woman.
The most important thing to look for in an employee is respect.
This is good to go.
Okay, here's your board. Good. And when you're ready to move on the car, go over it, study the plan, tick it off the list. You must be methodical. This isn't just a dumb crime.
Mukha niya yung ano, yung egg sa Puss in Boots.
Ay, gago.
Di ba?
Bank jobs.
Di ba? I'm not lying, di ba?
Yeah, you're not
He reminds me of that guy. I was, kanina ba ako nagtataka, like, why does he sound so familiar? Or like, why does he remind me of someone? Tapos nung ina-analyze ko yung mukha niya, tapos nung bigla na napakita yung mukha ng egg. Let's go! Ba't to nakapambahay yung member ko?
Sorry na, walang roads. Alam mo ba, pwede mo itong makuha ng libre?
What?
Yeah.
Hoy! Galaw!
Sorry na.
However you like, as long as you get it done. And oh yeah, we don't want anyone looking for you, so put on masks before saying hi.
Oh shit.
Wait, masyadong lowered yung ano ko. Kotse ko. Die, fuckers. Tignan na nga lang ng sa. Okay. Bitch. Sit down, bitch.
Okay na? Wala na?
Oh, Faye! Sakay! I'm about to die.
Par, wait lang. Ito, patay natin to. Papatay na. Let's go! Wait lang, front seat pa. Ayoko. So, passenger princess ako.
Wala pa lang ano doon. Butas. Ano ba yan?
Wait lang, gusto ko siya patayin.
Yaman yan, may kalaban pa tayo sa nahabol sa atin.
Ano eh?
Satisfied?
Yes. Thank you for asking. That's very thoughtful of you. Wait lang, patay ko sa...
Okay na yan. Binangga natin. Ang pangit ko
Bakit?
mag-drive.
Kaya nga, dapat ako nagda-drive eh. Alit tayo.
Wait,
Nevermind, wag na.
may mga kalaban.
Habol tayo. Ay, Diyos ko! Joel! Isa lang buhay ko!
Ay, isa lang ba? Pakinggan nyo.
Hoy!
Maharang sila. Ay, shit.
Tingin ko, na-headshot ko.
Pumatay akong inosente.
Hoy! Ano ka ba? Wag yun!
Imagine driving first person. Fuck, no. Yay, lapit na tayo.
Ayun, bumangga ka pa.
Yon.
Okay, I'll look after this. Lester will come by your place when you're ready to go.
Yeah!
Ha! Platinum.
Fuck you!
Don't worry. Sa'yo rin naman mapupunta lahat ng pera. Wow, may nag-comment sa aking YouTube.
Oh, nakita ko.
Yung ano, yung German ba yan? I can't tell. I suck.
Strip club pala yung pinin ko kanina. What the fuck? Gago. Gusto ko lang naman mag-shopping.
Alam mo sapatos.
Akala ko ano. Hindi, akala ko yun yung shop. Yung pang pang clothes.
Akala mo sapatos.
Where the hell is my house, bro?
Pinin down ko. Ay, hindi mo. Ay. Ano, lagay mo muna ako sa workers.
Oh, okay. Okay na. Okay na.
Yes. Ayaw nga. Ang ginagawa mo? Ang ginagawa mo?
I missed. Sige.
Gago. Lester, don't. Yes.
Ko. Ang funny. Na-miss ko, gago.
Yeah.
Ah, your first time. You know, the first times. Well, it's never easy. There won't exactly be fireworks. You know, it'll be vaguely awkward and disappointing. You know, you probably stick the wrong thing and the
Double
wrong
meaning,
part,
gago.
finish too early, and you won't be able to make
Si ano,
eye
si
contact afterwards. But
Eggman.
new
Eggman.
worlds will open up.
Gago, mas gwapo pa nga si
You
Eggman.
know, new,
Dapat si Humpty. Si Humpty na tawag natin sa kanya. Uncle Humpty.
You'll remember
Uncle Humpty.
the old Uncle Lester was here for you.
Lock the vault. And then, boom. Okay.
Put on a mask
Go,
if you
go,
haven't
go.
already and get inside.
Oy, G. Press G.
Oh, my bad.
Robbery.
Okay, now find the safety deposit box. You found the box? Okay, go in your bag
Huh.
and get out the
Take out the
drill.
cameras? Where are the cameras?
Don't go too quick, or it's gonna overheat. If you see smoke, ease off. If the drill burns out, this whole thing will take too long. Drill got another gear? Come on! Tell me what to do.
Okay, go.
You got it!
Oh my god, you made your point. What do you mean by point? Huh?
Bitch move! Bitch move!
Fuck you! You're getting me killed!
You didn't come this far to end up in the back of a squad car.
Tangina.
Okay, time to focus. Ako ba naman yung driver?
Stop hounding us.
I've got my getaway guy waiting for you.
Wow.
Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit!
His name's Eddie Joe. He's a professional.
Anyway,
Take care
okay
of
lang.
everything.
Bagal mo kasi, puta ka.
Ano mo? Pinatilyapon ako ang puta.
Don't worry about the cops. Just get to the bridge.
Under... Uy. Drive under the cargo, Bob.
Oh, asan ba?
Ayun no.
Just might do this.
Oh. Don't know what it was. Anyway.
Wala, mission failed.
Puta! Yes.
This
Par!
is the first heist.
Ultimate first.
First heist lang to.
Diba meron pa isang life?
No, you missed the cargo, Bob.
Ako nga, pero meron pa isang life, diba?
Oo.
Oo, di. Pwede.
You failed the mission. That's all. You didn't die. Get back to the car.
Par!
Ay,
Mala na.
go.
Go, go, go! He didn't come this far to end up in the back of a squad car.
Ingay ni Lester. Ni Humpty.
Humpty the Lester. Lester the Humpty.
Lester the Dumpty.
Dumpty.
Got my getaway
Yun, yung helicopter.
Oo. Gitna ka lang, gitna ka lang. Just keep driving. Don't slow down. Mag-slow down ka lang pag ano. Yun! Yay!
The fuck? Tapos biglang ano, no? Mahulog yung kotse.
Magnetic naman yun. Pass!
Ah!
Ah! Fuck you. Yes. Actual take. 30%, 75,000. Do not high. Sayang. Anyways, may extra cash ka naman, no? Na na-earn. Kasi per size mo. Diba, diba?
Nice.